Hello, welcome to Kurdish language activities. In this video we will learn about Kurdish alphabet. Kurdish language is read how it is written, so letter sounds never change. In Kurdish there are 31 letters with 8 vowels and 23 consonants. Let's start to see the letters and hear how they sound. Good luck! A, av, be, Baran. C, codkar. Ç, çav. D, du. E, eur. Ezing. F, Fanos. G, guh. H, hesp. I, Incas. I, Isot. J, jin. K, Kûçik. Legleg. Me, mal. Ne, nan. O, olan. Q, qahve. R, roj. S, sev. Ş, şeker. T, tli. U, unce. Uti. V, valez. Wene. X, khas. Y, yarmasi. Z, zebeş. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Dembaş.